huge. I am in Makomazi National Park and I cannot wait to see a rhino. I've never seen one in my life. Its name is Kisima. It's so amazing, it's so beautiful, and I get to see a rhino today. Just a simple day in dancer's life. Going around, seeing nature, spotting giraffes and rhinos, and just stretching my leg. Makomazi is not just beautiful, it is a vital sanctuary for endangered species, especially the black rhino. And guess what? We've already spotted one. Oh my God. I want to touch. So that is Kisima. We've been chasing her for hours and we finally found her. Look at that beauty. She is strong and she lost her mom when she was just 3 months old. But all thanks to the incredible team of Tanapa and the National Park, Makomazi, that she's preserved, and they are doing an amazing job protecting and preserving all these endangered animals. Hi, Kisima! We are so close to Kisima right now, but any moment she changes her mood, we'll be running around all over the place. Bye! Bye, Kisima! ये राइनो इतना बुली कर रहा है ज़ीब्रास को, पानी नहीं पीने दे रहा है, एंड जैसे ही ज़ीब्रास धीरे धीरे कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इट्स कमिंग एंड फुल ऑन बुली मोड. You think you've seen it all? Not until you have danced with the Maasai. Welcome to the incredible world of Maasai. I am dressed in their traditional outfit and I cannot wait to learn their dance form. Yay! And I feel like an African queen. Let's start! This is Adumu, which is the most famous jumping dance. Higher you jump, that signifies strength, pride of a man. Oh my God, look at him. Ah! Maasai dance was so much fun. Folk dance में होता है ना कि आपके बहुत simple steps होते हैं, but it's been going on, and I loved how women had just one step to show that they are attracted to men, and men did that very high jump which was looking crazy to me, like how high they were elevating. बहुत मजा आया मुझे. धक धक करने लगा, हो मोरा जियरा डरने लगा, सैया बैया छोड़. Jambo, guess where I am today? I am in Serengeti National Park, and last night there was a lion roar outside this tent where I'm staying. Okay, you want to check? Wait a second. Was there a lion outside my room last night?
Yes, there is a lion outside your tent. Be careful.
Ah! Can you believe it? There are lions roaming around freely here and I'm staying in this tent. Oh my God. And today I'm going to take you to show all the animals that I've always just dreamt of. I'll be there out in the wild, experiencing true African wilderness. Come, dive with me. we have spotted a bunch of elephants. Oh my god, we are so close. Yay! Oh my god. छोटा elephant कितना प्यारा है. It's a female herd of elephants, and I have seen a documentary recently about how females protect each other and they live together. चल 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 मेरे हाथी, ओ मेरे साथी. Guess who's the national animal of Tanzania? No, it's not the lion. It is the giraffe. It's like the country's own tall, quirky superstar. बहुत अरमान लेके आए हैं हम इंडिया से कि हमें बस शेर दिख जाए यहाँ पे, और हंट करता हुआ दिख जाए तो मतलब और भी ज़्यादा अमेजिंग. Where are you, शेर? कहाँ हो लायन? लायन आ जाओ. Come on, lions, where are you? देखो लायन, तुम्हारे लिए कितने धक्के खा रही हूँ मैं. Hear them? We saw a lion. And I spotted it. I heard it. Yes. We finally spotted an entire family. Almost. I think there are 2 lionesses that I can see and some cubs. This is truly, truly magical. Big lion with big face. My God. एक शेर अर्ज किया है कि आज शेर खुल गए, घर के रास्ते भूल गए. सारा बॉलीवुड अंदर का निकल के आ रहा है इधर. After this perfect long day, I want to chill, relax, and enjoy African drum bonfire under this incredible African sky. And that too in the jungle. तुमसे जो दिल की बात मैं आज भी कहती हूँ. I love you. कांटा. Is this for me?
Africa, man. Don't fear fire.
Oh,
Right?
I'm fearless. I'm joined by my amazing friends from Tanzania. Welcome to Olduvai Gorge, the cradle of humanity. This is where our story began. These cliffs hold the secrets of our ancestors, going back to the times of Homo sapiens and even earlier species like Homo habilis who walked here millions of years ago. What? Damn, millions of years? Oh my God. And this is where the first stone tools were discovered, marking a major leap in human evolution. Imagine finding evidence of our evolution right beneath our feet. This is history come to life. Olduvai Gorge is a reminder of where we come from, and I can't wait to explore this incredible legacy. क्यों हम लाइफ को सीरियसली नहीं ले सकते? इसको किसी ने नीचे से मुक्का मारा था मेरे ख्याल से. ब्रश नहीं करते हो ना, ये हो जाता है तुम्हारे साथ. ओह, Masai traditional dance. We've already done this. I can totally fit in this inside this. आज ऐसा लगता है कि किसी ना किसी पूर्वज से तो मैं मिलकर आई हूँ. इतने सारे मैंने मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स ओल्ड स्केलेटल स्ट्रक्चर्स देखे हैं, और मतलब मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स. हाउ डू यू प्रिजर्व समथिंग लाइक दिस? माय गॉड, इनसेन. एंड यस, सब पूर्वजों को मेरा नमस्कार. आप हैं तो हम हैं. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so next level. Matlab, I can't believe that I'm walking into this ancient culture of Maasai warriors welcoming me into their world. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. Oh my God. This was the most amazing welcome of my life. It was so emotional. I felt something very raw coming out of this welcome. Today I'm going to do Maasai cooking. Yeah. Now I have to put this inside. Oh my God. Let's see if I can keep up with the way of Maasai cooking. Okay, इसमें हमने डाला है स्वाद अनुसार कॉर्नफ्लावर और पानी. और ये आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रेडिशनल किचन मैंने देखी है. मोस्ट ऑर्गेनिक. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं पूरा वेंटिलेशन है, लकड़ी से जलाई है आग. और ये हम बना रहे हैं उगाली. Nakai is teaching me how to make ugali and less cooking and more kushti for me. और इनका डिवाइस देखो कितना अच्छा है, इतना बड़ा सा. She's laughing at me. It's done? It's over? Okay, this is what we have cooked, and this is the Maasai way of living. There is no sugar, no salt, no carb, nothing. Can I feed you? Yeah. I feed you? You like it? My cooking? Nice? Yeah. I eat now? Okay. Do you give me 10 on 10? 10 on 10? Mm-hmm. Ah! Good, she doesn't understand the language. If I eat this, I will be slim like you. My God. इसमें कोई भी टेस्ट नहीं है. एकदम प्लेन जैसे आटा खाते हैं वो है. And that's the reason they are so fit and they look like supermodels. This ugali is amazing. This is like baby food जो बच्चों को खिलाते हैं ना. This is the Maasai way of living. Bold, beautiful, and unlike anything I've experienced. Will try? No? No? Oh my God, बच्चा मेरा खाना नहीं खा रहा. Was it good? Good? Yeah. This is the best way we speak, through dance. Yeah. Yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. You're very sweet.
Oh, wow!
Yes, yes, yes!
Shaktiman from India!
Welcome to Zanzibar! Zanzibar! Hakuna Matata! Habibi!
Welcome to Zanzibar!
I'm standing in the hometown of legendary Freddie Mercury. This is where the magic began, and I can almost hear him singing. We will rock you. Zanzibar isn't just a place, it's a whole vibe. Known as the Spice Island, it's famous for its incredible spices and lively energy. With amazing culture, breathtaking views, and pristine beaches, this island is always buzzing with life. वो वक्त आ ही गया, वो घड़ी आ ही गई जब मैं लाइफ में पहली बार स्कूबा डाइव करने जा रही हूँ और मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, बट आई हैव कम प्रिपेयर्ड कि मैं आज डरूंगी नहीं और मैं ये करूँगी. आई एम गोइंग टू कॉन्कर माई फियर जस्ट लाइक ऋतिक रोशन. ज़िंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. विश मी लक. सीरियसली फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई एम गोना डू इट. I don't know what's coming. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है और पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. I am ready to dive into this adventure, truly. But then I have Saddam with me, and he's going to save me. And I hope I only keep doing this underwater and nothing else. Save me, okay?
Don't worry, we are together. We'll do that.
I started looking at the fishes. I think the fishes really calmed me down, and I was going through them, swimming through them, and they were just making way, and they were not at all scared. They were just chilling like, you know, these people exist. The ocean bed. I mean, I really felt like this is not real. None of this is really happening. I cannot believe I just did scuba diving. Did I just do something that scared me all my life, and I always avoided it at all cost? Every step going down, I was so scared. I was telling myself, just do it, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. And I somehow managed to do it, and I cannot wait to tell my family that I have done this, because they will be so proud. This was a huge victory for me, and I am grateful to Zanzibar for giving me my first experience. Hi everyone, Namaste. Today I'm at Prison Island, originally a prison, later a quarantine station, and I'm going to meet someone really amazing. They are gentle giants, and I cannot wait to show you all these beautiful creatures. So come follow me. The oldest one here is, can you guess? Older than everyone you know in your life. 200 years old. I should take some wisdom. God, they are massive. They are this big. Hi. Oh my God. I'm really scared of you. I have a new friend in Tanzania, Pingu. If I sit like this, I'll be smaller than you. Oh my God. I'm shaking. I'm so scared. But these are really gentle creatures, but really huge. I think I found my sisters. Look at them. Chilling under the tree. Like that. Like that. Like that. The government has done a phenomenal job preserving them. And the wildlife people, great job. Will they accept me? Goma dance is centuries old, and you can see so much tradition, the sound, the drums, the way they are dressed, to everything was just like, oh my God. Historically, Goma dance was done for spiritual ceremonies, but now it's performed for festivals and weddings, and it symbolizes their cultural heritage. And it is absolutely worth watching this again and again and again. It is so much fun. I could not stop swaying my hips. Every time I come and see anything folk, it makes me so happy from within. I could not stop looking at them in their eyes and make that contact. I wanted to get up and sway my hips. I think I'm just gonna jump on stage because I don't want to miss this opportunity. They are wonderful, from the instruments to their movements to their smile to their costume. Everything is so nice. Oh my God, it is so good and tiring. How are they dancing for so long? And it is so cool. Oh my God, they have some swag. The way they move their hips. Too much, too much, too much. I'm so happy I danced with them. वाओ, लाइफ में एक सपना था कि अफ्रीका जाना है, एनिमल्स को देखना है, उनको लाइव एक्शन में देखना है. ओह माय गॉड, आई गॉट टू सी ऑल ऑफ इट एंड बियॉन्ड. Dressing up like Maasais and wearing their ornaments and jewelry, और पूरा जो पूरा उनका आउटफिट था, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि फॉर सम टाइम आई हैव बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. दे वर होल्डिंग माई हैंड एंड दे वर डांसिंग विद मी एंड सीइंग दोज बॉयज जंप. क्रेजी मैडनेस था मसाई विलेज मेरे लिए. पूरा दिन वहाँ पे कुकिंग सीखना और उनका डांस फॉर्म एक्सपीरियंस करना वाज लाइक अ न्यू चैप्टर इन माई लाइफ. I got to go to one of the most important archaeological sites, Olduvai Gorge, to be able to do scuba diving successfully and finish it. It was a combination of 90% freaking out and 10%, oh my God, what am I seeing? जो गोमा डांस मैंने देखा है, इतनी खुशी से, इतने प्यार से, और इनके इतने स्टेप्स यूनिक हैं कि पूरा वर्ल्ड इनको फॉलो करता है. जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए वो है डांस. और डांस अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड का विजन ये है कि ये जो डांस फॉर्म्स हैं दे शुड नॉट डाई डाउन, और ये पूरे वर्ल्ड में पहुँचे. और ये फोक डांसेस जो हैं, इनकी जो ब्यूटी है वो कोई भी डांस फॉर्म मैच नहीं कर सकता. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. आई वांट टू टेक दीज डांस फॉर्म्स टू द वर्ल्ड, और ये डांसर्स हर जगह ट्रैवल करें और ये सब लोग देखें. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी दैट थ्रू डांस अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड वी आर रीचिंग आउट टू मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल. Being in Tanzania was like living a childhood dream, and there is no better way to learn than to travel.